Hello and welcome back. I want to try a beginner-friendly trail soon, but before that I need to fix the temperature gauge. As you can see, the gauge goes up with the car being completely cold. It could be a lot of things, but a common problem for these Pajeros is a faulty solder on the circuit board. The fix is resoldering the resistor. At least that's what my research has led to. So I bought the soldering iron and I'm going to try to fix it myself. But first I have to take out the instrument cluster from the dash. There are a couple of screws on each side on the top. There should be 4 screws here, but as you can see there are only 2. Somebody's definitely been here before. Now this is the back side of the instrument cluster. This is the part that we actually need. It's held in with 5 screws. This small little thing is the R10 resistor. That's the one we need to resolder back. As you can see, it didn't go flawlessly. Hands are shaking, the resistor did move, but I did manage to get it back in its place. With an enormous blob of solder on one side of the resistor, I figured it's done. After the soldering is done, you have to take off the plastic screen and push this part back in. With the instrument cluster back in its place, let's see how it did. Oh yay! It's not showing any reading. Well, that just means that it's not showing a faulty reading. The only way to figure out if it really works is to get the car warm. Let's try it one more time. Yes! Now look at that. It actually works. Now I need to take a longer drive in order to actually confirm that it's working, but it seems to work for now, so if I can, then you most certainly can as well. Thank you for watching, bye.